समीर मुनहास की भारत के खिलाफ शानदार सेंचुरी, बैटिंग जारी।
The perfect example of rising to the occasion. The epitome of patience, talent and virtue today. Sameer Minhas, a century in the final, a second in the tournament.
Fabulous. What a way. On drive, down the ground, full face of the bat. And it really showcases the kind of tournament that he has had. Outstanding performance, and he thanks God, puts it head down and thanks him. Top stuff this from Sameer. He goes to this 100, something that he'll remember for times to come, as the fielder puts in a poor effort. He just dives over the ball. He should have stopped it, not to be. The coach signals him. It's a happy